What's up, guys? Fresco BK live here at Stadium Goods, and we're located on 47 Howard Street, Manhattan, Soho area. So please feel free to pull up. I got a special unboxing look for you guys today. So we're taking a look at the Yeezy 350 version 2 Glow. So this is one that you guys have been waiting on, but we got it right here at Stadium. So say less with all this talking. Let's get straight to these shoes. All right, so here we have the box top, which is pretty much classic to most 350 styles you'll find. And please let me know what you guys think in the comments. Thank you for liking and sharing all of our videos. But here we have the Yeezy 350 V2 Glow. So right off the bat, you'll see the completely tonal hits throughout this entire shoe with the neon throughout the upper and also the midsole and outsole. The original 350 was brought to us, I want to say, in 2015. The Turtle Dove was first, of course, with the Pirate Black, Moonrock, variety of other styles, and of course that transitions into the version 2, which was started off with the Beluga, and fast forward now, here we have the Green Glow. So once again, the fully primed knit upper, which you guys can see, we have the stitch detailing in the toe box area. We have the translucent hit all along the side of the outer panel. Once again, more prime knit. We get to the midsole with the translucent caging. This is just the overlay of the Boost. And let's just go to the outsole right quick. You'll see the Boost hit right there in the middle. And once again, the plastic translucent overlay right on the outsole. Let's get back to the upper. Fully tonal laces. Fully tonal laces on these. And just so you guys know, the entire shoe does not glow in the dark. It is just the midsole and outsole. It's not the entire shoe, it's just here. Pretty much all around midsole, outsole. We have the same neon pull tab. We have the slightly lighter shade of neon, which is also on the back heel area. Of course, hang tag, classic to Yeezy. Let's get to the insole, features the Adidas Yeezy logo right there. And I'll give you guys one last look at the Yeezy 350 Green Glow. So huge shout out before we close out to my man Jeff Henderson. He knows exactly why I'm shouting him out in regards to this Yeezy 350, but that's neither here nor there. And just so you guys know, I read this earlier that Kanye apparently tweeted out last year that hinting at the Green Glow version of the 350, and of course that's what we see here today. So we're gonna go number 1 with the static V2, the fully reflective version. We've got the clay is number 2 for me. Clay is just a really dope colorway, looks good with a lot of different silhouettes. And just so you guys know, in regards to sizing on the Yeezy 350s, they do tend to run a half size smaller. So whatever your normal size is, I would suggest that you guys go a half size up. Just a fun fact for all my Yeezy 350 fans. Version 2 only. We have the Hyperspace right here. And we also have the True Form. So if I have to go in order 1 through 5 of which are my favorites, I'm definitely going Static V2 right here. I am going Clay with the second. I am going True Form with the third. Definitely got to have these Green Glows as number 4 and the Hyperspace as number 5. But once again, let me know what you guys think in the comments and which one is your favorite. Even if we going as far back as Beluga 1.0s, 2.0, Blue Tint, Turtle Dove, Pirate Black, whatever it may be. But we have all of these various 350 styles available right here at Stadium Goods. We are located on 47 Howard Street, Manhattan, Soho area. So please feel free to pull up. Make sure you guys download the Stadium Goods app. It's available on iOS and on Android. I don't care if you don't got no space in your phone. Make some space for this app. Please follow at Stadium Goods on all social media platforms, at Stadium Goods, and make sure, well, actually, just continue, because we really appreciate you guys liking and sharing all of our videos on Facebook, YouTube, and now, of course, IGTV. And last but not least, if you have any questions or inquiries regarding anything Stadium Goods, 350s, 700s, off-white, whatever the scenario may be, please visit stadiumgoods.com. I am Fresco BK, and salud.